Are you frustrated with your old photos that have very low quality? These photos might hold great sentimental value and cherished memories. Well, you're in for a treat. In today's tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can enhance the quality of your images without spending a single penny. Let's jump right in. To begin, we'll need to visit a website called Replicate. Don't worry, I'll include the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll need to create an account using your GitHub credentials. If you don't have a GitHub account, you can easily set one up. Setting up an account is quite straightforward. Simply provide your email and create a password, and your account will be ready to use. Now that you're successfully registered and logged in through GitHub, it's time to upload our original images. For this instructional guide, I'll be using a vintage photograph of Cristiano Ronaldo that I found on Google Images. The photo is of low resolution, and its blurriness becomes apparent when zoomed in. Now, I'm uploading this photo to the Replicate website. Once your image is uploaded, just click the Submit button, and the artificial intelligence will need some time to process it. Patience is key in this process, my dear viewers. All right, our image has been processed. Let's retrieve it and observe the outcomes. Whoa, you can see the difference. The upscaled image now boasts superior resolution and enhanced details. It's almost like witnessing magic. I'm eager to learn about your own adventures with image upscaling. Feel free to share your opinions and outcomes in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating tutorials like this one. A big thank you for tuning in. If you want creating an animated talking AI avatar for free, click on right. And if you wanted to look at how AI news channels work without any spending penny, click on left. Take care.